Hi, my name is Valentin Hamburger. Today I want to walk you through backup with HEC. So I log on to the HEC console and choose a VM to deploy. Let's deploy a Windows VM. So click on deploy and choose the options. So we have the VCUs, which is hex specific, and I have to select the backup method. This is intentional, so you're aware what backup method is selected, gold, silver, or not required. Okay, so let's select gold and look at the cost. So you'll see the cost will change depending on the backup option you choose. So for instance, if we select silver, the cost will change and will be a little bit cheaper. Well, it's only a little bit cheaper, but it's cheaper. And this is the daily cost of the VM, by the way. But I want to do a gold backup. I want to do a quick and fast backup. So let's choose gold, click submit, and wait for the VM to be deployed. We can speed this up in the video a little bit, but you see this in the requests that the VM is actually being deployed. If we look at it, you'll see that the VM will be deployed using a predefined network. In our case, it's a VLAN 100. Also, you see the properties, the gold backup and everything of the VM as well. Here you see the deployment steps. So let's speed that up a little bit. Here we see everything has been deployed. That's our VM. The name is Win074. If we look at our items tab, here is the VM. Now you will see on the right hand side that we have a couple of options, and I will connect using RDP to create data in that VM, which is worth backing up. Let me simply log on, done. Okay, here we are, and I create a little text file, and I'll call it super important file. That should do it. Okay, and now I'm quite concerned and happy that I have the file, so I will back up the VM immediately. So I request the backup as a user and want to make sure that my content is safe. So I give it a name, click through it, and here I could actually change the backup type, but I want to stick with gold. So okay. Since this is a user request, you can always change the method. So let's look at the requests tab again. We see that this is in progress right now. It's running in the background. And well, once this is successfully finished, now that's successful now, I can actually go ahead and look at my VM again. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, back to items, look at the VM. So for demo purposes right now, I will delete my super important file. Okay, so log on to the VM again. There's the file, shift delete. Okay, so it's not in the recycle bin. Remember, it's gone. File is deleted, destroyed. Okay, so now I'm quite upset because this was a super important file. So I want to restore the VM and get my files back. So I give it a name, like important file gone. It's my description, right? Gone. And now let's start this restore action in the background. Again, I can do this without leaving a hack or without leaving the console at all. It runs in the background. It triggers a job. You can see that here, and the job is running automatically. And once it's done, the VM will be restored, but it will be powered off. So it's done right now. We fast forward a little bit. When we look at the VM, it's powered off. That is for security reasons. So if you restore something, it will replace the VM, but it will be powered off. So I power that on real quick. And once it's powered on, we can actually start accessing the VM again. So let's do that. Click on the VM, it's powered on, fine. Let's connect again using RDP. So open the RDP session, yep, and the password. Okay, here we are back on the VM with a little warning. But the file's back, and this is how easy backup is with HEC. If you want to learn more, please do visit www.hds.com. Thank you very much.